A sequence consists of two or more views, displayed one after the other in series. Multiple views can be monitored automatically. Only existing views can be used in a sequence. Similarly, only existing channels can be used in views. Click on Sequences from the menu bar to begin with. We will start by taking a look at the parameters that make up a sequence. Sequence name, a unique name that identifies the sequence. Views, a list of existing views that can be added to the sequence. Click on a view to preview it. Current views in sequence, a list of views used in this sequence. Views can be added, removed, and reordered in the sequence. Duration, enter a value, in seconds, and click Set, to define how long each view is displayed before switching to the next view in the sequence. This is a global setting and will be applied to all views in the sequence. Or click on a view in the sequence to display its name and set the duration for each individual view in the sequence. Set Active, click Set Active to display the sequence on a monitor attached to the decoder. Save, click on Save to save the sequence or modifications to the sequence. To create a new sequence, click on the Add button. Start by creating a name for the new sequence. Select the desired views for this sequence by dragging and dropping them into the current views in sequence list. You can also change the order of the views in the sequence by dragging and dropping a view in the sequence order. To remove a view from the sequence, drag from the current views in sequence list. As mentioned earlier, you can set a global duration time for this sequence. The duration time set will apply to all views and the amount of time each will be displayed in the sequence. Click on Set to apply the global duration time. Or you can set the duration for each view by selecting a view from the sequence and clicking on it. Click on the check mark to save the change. Once the configuration of the sequence is complete, click on Save. The newly created sequence will be added to the sequence list. To display a sequence on the monitor attached to the decoder, select the desired sequence from the list. And then click Set Active. Note that the active icon is displayed to indicate that this sequence is currently active on the monitor that is attached to the decoder. To delete a sequence, select the sequence and then click the Delete button. You can also change sequences by using the on-screen display on the monitor. Press the green button located on the remote. The sequence list will appear on the monitor attached to the decoder as a series of thumbnail images. Use the left and right arrows to scroll through the sequence list that is displayed. Press OK once the desired sequence is found. The display on the monitor will switch to the sequence selected. Note, the channel, view or sequence that was set active will not change when selecting another channel via the remote control. To change the active channel, view or sequence, select the desired output to be displayed and then click on the Set Active button. As we saw earlier, the active icon will appear to indicate that the current channel, view or sequence is active. This concludes the review of the Sequences section of the NLSS HD Decoder user interface. For more information on the NLSS HD Decoder, including the user guide or information regarding other NLSS products, please visit the NLSS website at www.nlss.com.